For countless generations, humanity has lifted its gaze toward the night sky, driven by a quiet but persistent curiosity about what lies beyond the boundaries of its world. The stars scattered across the darkness have never been seen as simple distant objects. They have served as guides for navigation, anchors for timekeeping, and foundations for early systems of meaning that attempted to explain existence itself. Ancient civilizations traced patterns among them, transforming random points of light into structured constellations, weaving stories that reflected both imagination and early attempts at understanding reality. Yet even as knowledge expanded, one truth has remained constant. The universe is far more vast, far more intricate, and far more mysterious than it first appears. Over time, observation gradually evolved into science. What was once interpreted through myth began to be measured, tested, and refined through evidence. The invention of telescopes marked a profound turning point in human perception. The sky, once thought to be a fixed dome, revealed depth. Stars, once thought unique, became distant suns. And eventually, entire galaxies were discovered extending far beyond the limits of early imagination. Each increase in observational power did not simplify the cosmos, it expanded it, revealing deeper layers of structure and complexity. In the 20th century, this transformation accelerated dramatically with the rise of modern cosmology. The Big Bang Theory emerged as a structured framework describing the origin of the universe. According to this model, everything we observe today originated from an extremely hot, dense state approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Space itself began expanding, carrying matter and energy outward, gradually forming stars, galaxies, clusters, and the immense cosmic web that defines large-scale structure. This model explained a wide range of observations with remarkable consistency, including the cosmic microwave background radiation, the redshift of distant galaxies, and the distribution of matter across vast distances. For a time, it appeared that a coherent and stable picture of the universe had been established. A narrative of cosmic evolution seemed complete enough to stand as a final framework. But history repeatedly shows that scientific understanding is never final. The deeper we observe, the more the narrative begins to shift. Recent astronomical observations have revealed galaxies that appear far more developed than expected for their stage in cosmic history. These structures are not small, chaotic assemblies of matter slowly merging over time. Instead, they show signs of organization, mass concentration, and chemical maturity that should require significantly longer periods to form under standard models. Their existence raises fundamental questions. Either galaxy formation occurred much faster in the early universe than previously believed, or key aspects of cosmic evolution remain incomplete. At the same time, closer to our own galactic neighborhood, certain stars are challenging the precision of current measurement systems. One notable example is an extremely ancient star often referred to as Methuselah star. Its estimated age, based on stellar evolution models, appears in some calculations to approach or even exceed the age of the universe itself. This does not imply a contradiction in nature, but rather highlights uncertainties in our methods. Stellar ages are not measured directly, they are inferred through luminosity, chemical composition, and theoretical models of stellar evolution. Small uncertainties in these parameters can produce large variations in final estimates. Even so, such anomalies serve an important purpose. They remind us that our frameworks are powerful, but not absolute, and that refinement is always possible. To better grasp the scale of cosmic time, scientists often use compression analogies. If the entire history of the universe were reduced to a single calendar year, the Big Bang would occur on January 1st. The formation of Earth would take place in the final days of December, and human civilization would emerge only in the last few seconds before midnight. This perspective reveals how brief human existence is relative to cosmic time, but also how recently our capacity for understanding has developed. Despite this short window of awareness, humanity has uncovered profound truths about reality. Yet even within these discoveries, uncertainty remains. Some researchers have proposed alternative interpretations of cosmological data, suggesting that the universe could be older than current estimates indicate. These ideas remain speculative and are not widely accepted, but they highlight an important principle. Even foundational parameters in cosmology are subject to refinement as new data emerges. Within our own galaxy, additional complexities continue to surface. Observations of stellar motion and galactic rotation indicate that the amount of visible matter in the Milky Way may not be sufficient to account for its gravitational behavior. This discrepancy has led to the development of dark matter theory, which proposes the existence of an invisible form of matter that interacts gravitationally but not electromagnetically. Together with dark energy, dark matter is believed to make up the vast majority of the universe's total content, leaving ordinary matter, everything we can see and touch, as only a small fraction of reality. This imbalance presents one of the deepest mysteries in modern physics. The universe appears to be dominated by components that cannot be directly observed, only inferred through their effects on visible structures. Despite decades of research and increasingly sensitive instruments, the true nature of these components remains unknown. At the same time, the search for planets beyond our solar system has entered a new phase of precision and depth. Thousands of exoplanets have now been identified orbiting distant stars, revealing an extraordinary diversity of worlds. Some are covered in global oceans, some are engulfed in thick and dynamic atmospheres, and others experience extreme temperatures and conditions entirely unlike anything in our solar system. With advanced telescopes, scientists can now analyze the chemical composition of these distant atmospheres, identifying molecules such as water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and other compounds associated with planetary processes. This marks a significant shift in capability, moving from simple detection of planets to detailed characterization of their environments. For the first time, humanity can begin to study the climates and chemistry of worlds light years away. This progress brings us closer to answering one of the oldest questions in human thought: whether life exists beyond Earth. So far, no direct evidence of extraterrestrial life has been confirmed. However, the detection of potential biosignatures, subtle chemical imbalances that may indicate biological activity, is becoming increasingly possible. Each new observation adds another layer to an expanding scientific picture, one that is still incomplete but steadily growing in resolution. Alongside observational progress, theoretical frameworks are also expanding. Concepts such as the multiverse propose that our universe may be one among many, each with its own physical laws and constants. While such ideas remain speculative and difficult to test, they reflect the widening scope of modern cosmological inquiry. Questions that once belonged exclusively to philosophy are gradually entering the realm of scientific exploration. Even on the largest observable scales, unresolved puzzles persist. Galaxy clusters and cosmic structures sometimes exhibit motion and distribution patterns that do not fully align with theoretical predictions. Certain regions appear influenced by forces or structures that are not yet fully accounted for in existing models. These discrepancies do not invalidate current theories, but they indicate that our understanding of cosmic structure remains incomplete. Despite these uncertainties, one principle remains unchanged: scientific knowledge is not static. It evolves continuously in response to new evidence. Each discovery resolves certain questions while revealing deeper layers of complexity beneath them. This iterative process is not a limitation of science but its greatest strength. The universe itself is not static either. It is dynamic, evolving across scales of time and space that far exceed human perception. Stars are born, evolve, and collapse. Galaxies collide and merge. Matter flows through vast cosmic structures, continuously reshaping the observable universe over billions of years. Within this immense system, humanity occupies a remarkably small position, yet one that is uniquely significant. We are observers capable of reflecting upon the cosmos that produced us. The elements that compose our bodies were forged in ancient stars, dispersed through supernova explosions, and eventually incorporated into planets, oceans, and living systems. In this sense, humanity is not separate from the universe, but an expression of it that has developed the ability to observe and question its own origins. As observational technology continues to advance, our ability to explore the universe will extend further in both distance and time. Future instruments will detect fainter signals, resolve finer structures, and uncover details currently beyond comprehension. Each generation will build upon the discoveries of the previous one, steadily expanding the boundaries of known reality. The journey of understanding is far from complete. The universe remains vast, layered, and filled with unanswered questions. Yet with every step forward, humanity moves closer not only to understanding the cosmos, but to understanding its own place within it. And somewhere within that immense expanse, it is entirely possible that answers already exist, encoded in faint light, hidden in subtle patterns, waiting patiently for the moment they are finally recognized.